This is brother TC-22A CNC tapping center, equipped with 30 tool ATC, BT30 spindle, 12,000 RPM. As a standard, travels are 500 by 370 by 400. It is with, as you know, the brother comes with the brother CNC controller only. There is no noise in the spindle. Spindle is very smooth. Rapids are quite fast. With the virtue of my experience, I can tell you these rapids are almost 94 meters per minute. And the tool change time is less than a second. The machine is in immaculate condition. You can say you can take 12,000 maximum RPM in it. Check the condition of the electrical panel. It's untouched, quite virgin. Not even a single wire has been removed ever since it's been built. So whosoever will take it will enjoy the machine for next few years if maintain the dust level in the factory. Thank you.